here we are in the kitchen, and today's special mix is veggie pate. And we've got eggplant, sun-dried tomatoes, and garlic. First, we're going to slice up our eggplant. Actually, it's easier if you slice it much thinner than we did today. It'll save time and energy if sliced smaller. And we're going to put the sliced eggplant into our food processor and start to shred them up. Next, we're going to add our sun-dried tomatoes and our garlic cloves and continue to shred. And take a look, looking good. After shredding, we're going to fire up the skillet and add some olive oil to get our skillet nice and hot. And now we're going to add our shredded eggplant blend to the skillet. Adding some Hawaiian Salt and some G.B.P, ground black pepper. A teaspoon of raw cane sugar. And 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And for our magic touch, we're going to add our Aroma Surf 9-spice blend. The recipe on how to make our 9-spice blend is posted in our previous video, Spicy Potato Balls. Giving our final mix a taste test. A little more of our 9-spice. Final mix again. And the taste test. And we're good to go. Just gonna put our pate into this bowl. And now we're going to prepare the veggies for our sandwich filler. We're going to slice some tomato. And some red onions. Thinly peeling a carrot. A couple leaves of leaf lettuce. And we're going to slice some avocado. Okay, the first way we're going to enjoy our pate is in a bruschetta style. Simple. Spread the pate on a piece of toasted sourdough. Now for the crunch test. The other way we're using our pate today is a sandwich. First, we're going to mix some black beans with our pate to thicken things up. Spreading some roasted Dijon mustard on our slices of sourdough. Gonna add our red onions, peeled carrots, tomatoes, avocado, and a pinch of salt and pepper. A little leaf lettuce. And now to the other side. We're going to add our black bean and pate spread, spreading it evenly. And as we put the two sides together, we've got a veggie pate sandwich. And we're going to wrap it up. And give it a slice in half. And it's time to eat. Enjoy. Mahalo for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.